Welcome to our latest review, where we're diving into the world of wireless charging for the iPhone 16 Pro Max and iPhone 16 Pro. As Apple's flagship models continue to push the boundaries of technology, having the right wireless charger can make all the difference in keeping your device powered up and ready for action. In this video, we'll be showcasing the best wireless chargers designed specifically for these cutting-edge iPhones. Whether you're looking for speed, efficiency, or just a sleek and stylish charging solution, we've got you covered. So, sit back, relax, and let's find the perfect wireless charger for your iPhone 16 Pro Max and Pro. Number 1. NANAMI. The NANAMI wireless charger, 2-coil fast charging, is a versatile and efficient charging stand, providing up to 1.4 times faster charging compared to standard wireless chargers. Its dual-coil design allows a larger charging area, making it easier to charge your phone vertically or horizontally without interruptions, perfect for watching videos or answering calls. It supports fast charging modes for Samsung Galaxy and iPhone models, as well as standard Qi-enabled devices. Safety features like overcharging and temperature protection ensure your device is secure, while the anti-slip base adds stability. An LED indicator clearly shows charging status, and it even warns you if alignment is off or metal objects are detected. With a sleek, ergonomic design and broad compatibility, this charger is a reliable choice for fast and safe wireless charging. Number 2. INIU. The INIU wireless charger stands out as a top choice for efficient and safe charging, backed by the confidence of over 38 million global users. This charger features next-gen 15W air fuel tech, which can reduce your charging time by up to 45 minutes, making it a real time saver. It offers 4 upgraded charging modes, 15W for LG, 10W for Samsung Galaxy, 7.5W for iPhone, and 5W for other devices, ensuring broad compatibility. One of its standout features is the self-adaptive LED indicator that adjusts its brightness based on ambient light, eliminating annoying lights that could disturb your sleep. The charger also boasts NTC Temp Degree Guard battery protection, which monitors and controls temperature in real time to prevent overheating and extend battery life. With dual superconductor coils, you can charge your device in both landscape and portrait modes without losing power, making it ideal for watching videos or using FaceTime. Plus, INIU offers an impressive 3-year warranty, reflecting their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Number 3. Yootech. The Yootech wireless charger is a well-rounded charging solution tailored specifically for the iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 series and compatible with AirPods 3 and Apple MagSafe cases. The set includes a MagSafe charger pad, a 20W USB-C wall adapter, and an aluminum charging stand, offering both stand and pad charging options. Designed for optimal convenience, this charger uses magnetic technology to ensure precise alignment with your iPhone, minimizing the risk of slippage. It charges up to 30% faster than standard wireless chargers, with a maximum output of 7.5W and a full charge time of under 3.35 hours, based on lab tests. The ergonomic 60-degree angle of the stand enhances your viewing experience, while the high-quality aluminum alloy and silicone pad ensure stability and protection against scratches and sliding. Multifunctional smart protection safeguards against overcharging, overheating, and short-circuiting, ensuring a secure and reliable charging process. Included in the package are the magnetic wireless charging pad, a PD20W USB-C wall adapter, an aluminum charging stand, a 5-foot USB-C charging cable, and a user manual, with 18 months of support and lifetime technical assistance. Number 4. Yootech. The Yootech wireless charger offers a compelling mix of convenience and functionality, especially for users of the latest iPhone 16 series, including the iPhone 16, 16 Plus, and 16 Pro Maximum. Here's a detailed look at its features and performance. One of the standout features of the Yootech wireless charger is its versatility. It supports 3 charging modes, 7.5W mode, ideal for iPhones, including the iPhone 16 series, as well as older models like the iPhone 11 and SE 2022. 10W mode, designed for compatible Samsung models such as the S22 Ultra and Note 10, ensuring faster charging for a range of Samsung devices. 5W mode works with any wireless charging-enabled phone, including Google Pixel models. This broad compatibility makes it a practical choice for households with multiple devices. However, it's worth noting that the charger doesn't come with an adapter. A QC 2.0, 3.0 or PD adapter is recommended for optimal performance. The Yootech wireless charger features a wide charging area thanks to its dual-coil design. This is a significant upgrade from traditional round wireless pads, as it eliminates the need to find a specific sweet spot for charging. Number 5. RYND. The RYND Wireless Charger 3-in-1 Apple charging station is designed to simplify charging for your Apple devices, including iPhones, Apple Watches, and AirPods. Here's an in-depth look at its features and performance. The RYND charging station stands out with its fast charging capabilities, promising a full charge in just 2.5 hours. It incorporates intelligent protection technology to ensure temperature control and reliable charging. The strong magnets aid in easy alignment with your phone's wireless charging coil, providing a stable and efficient charging experience. One of the key features of this charging station is its portability. It's compact and lightweight, folding up 180 degrees for easy storage in a pocket, backpack, or suitcase. This makes it an excellent choice for frequent travelers or those who need a reliable charging solution on the go. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, this charging station is designed to be a versatile companion. Choosing the right wireless charger for your iPhone 16 Pro Max or 16 Pro can greatly enhance your charging experience, combining efficiency, convenience, and style. In this roundup, we've explored some of the top contenders, each offering unique features to meet various needs. From the sleek and powerful Pitaka iPhone 16 Pro case with its minimalist design to the versatile subcase magnetic case, which adds extra protection and functionality, these options are tailored to ensure your device remains charged and ready. For those seeking a practical solution with added perks, the Spigen Tough Armor case and Torres magnetic case provide robust protection and additional features like kickstands and rotatable rings, making them ideal for users on the go.